Om Sai Ram. We are going to listen to Sri Sai Baba's charters and sayings compiled by Pujya Sri Narasimha Swamiji under the heading Baba's Test and Development of Faith. Nana, take your meal and go to the train. There is time. Nana, do not go to Kopergon today to meet the collector. Later, Nana got to know that the collector was absent on that day and had wired. Dada Kelkar, do not allow Sahib. Here, Sahib is Sate. To go to Manmad to meet his superior officers. Then they came to know that the officers had cancelled the engagement. Kaka Dikshit, do not start for Bombay to depose in the will case. The case was not taken up on that day. Kaka, do not send your boy for the examination now. He was surprised to know that the examination got postponed due to rat fall. Maulana, do not go today to the magistrate's court for the case against you. Later, they got to know that the case got adjourned. Tatia, do not go to the bazaar today. Tatia, do not go to the court today. So the result was the case got adjourned. Rangari Tanakar, do not start back. But he did, and his Jhatka broke. Manager Sadashiv Tarkat, return to your Pune office at once. Hansraj, do not take any medicines for your asthma. Babu Gir, this is Gosavi, go to Jalgaon, everything will be provided. This journey was meant to provide Sri Sai Baba's Udi to Mainatai, who was the daughter of Nana Sahib Chandorkar. Ba, this Sri Sai Baba told to Purandari, though late for the usual train, go to Kopergon. When he reached the station, he came to know that the train was late that day. Bere, drive to Kopergon at once. Do not halt on the way or delay. As Bere followed the instructions of Baba, he could escape the robbery. Om Sai Ram.